Hello and welcome to yet another video on Peaceful Weekend Investing. My name is Shivendra Bhatia and I'm recording this video to cover up Australia market, and we'll go through all the indexes, key indexes, look at their chart pattern and look at the facts what are being presented to us, and also look at what's next week's in store for us. As you know, we keep covering the week by week analysis of all the stocks which are trending and also showing some strength. Again, there was a clear disclaimer at the start of beginning. Make sure that you're consuming this information when you agree on this disclaimer, and I'm just presenting the fact based on the information available from various website. So when I'm recording this video, this is the 6th the 5th of June 2022. So please make a note of this video, because if it's uploaded on YouTube or you're watching on other platform, at least you are aware of which week I'm doing the analysis. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you know, I've created this automation sheet on Google Sheet, which gives me all the stocks which are close to 52-week high, and how many stocks are close to 52-week low, and those who are non-trending between that, and that is over ASX 200. So I just get that view and I keep recording that for previous week to see where the market is trending. So right now it's showing for this week it's around 37 stocks which are close to 52-week high. And the logic here is that I am alerting based on let me show you. So those are stocks which are in a particular band, and I'm putting a band of almost 10%. So within close to 10%, those stocks are coming as 52-week high. And if I do those stocks which are coming as 52 low, band of it, there are almost. So I've just created a dashboard to get me that view. Right, so that dashboard is telling me, the pivot is telling me 37 stocks are close to 52-week high, and we'll go through them, some of them, and also those stocks which are close to 52-week low is around 86. And previously we had 8th of May we had around 59 stocks which are closing high, and then we got 52, and now we got 37. So stocks which are coming to 52-week high are almost the same which are there, but the idea is it becomes a good hunting ground for us. Look, first, before I go in, what is expected out of next week is there is a consensus that the Reserve Bank of Australia looks like gonna again increase the cash rate, and this is happening after 10 years. So it's quite a big deal, and they'll be looks like we're going to reach to 2% from 0.1, which is going to be very hefty and rate increase, and we're going to see how that will pan out. So rate increase is happening, and this is all real. So we're expecting that next Tuesday, as per the consensus on the finder.com.au, almost 40 plus experts are expecting that it will be the rate hike which is going to be coming. Now question is whether it's going to be 0.4 or less, or 25 bips. That's what some are calling it, 25 bips, some are calling it 40 bips. So that time will tell on that one. But again, this is let me show you. So this is another website from news.com where we are saying that wages, you have ANZ also saying that it's going to be an expected increase. So just keep an eye on that, which will be important because market expected to be a bit wobbly, expected to be having those kind of moments where volatility will be high. So let's quickly go through the index analysis as part of our segment. And if you are not subscribed to channel, I think it'll be good that you can subscribe to channel. That'll be great, because I keep coming up with the regular videos and share with you all my insights, and also support the channel. Thank you. So let's start with XJO. In fact, XJO for last 3 weeks is trending up, which is interesting. Obviously it's not like a kind of a big bullish candles, there's always a wick on both these sides. So it's a weekly candle. So I think it'll be still for us. We have been keeping this line, green line. So we'll see. Right now, we have to trust the charts. Whatever the news is, news for me, I give more importance to chart, not the news, and it tells you the reality. And look at this, utilities has fallen down. XNJ, which is industrial, I think it is kind of trending nicely sideways. So we'll see whether it's going to take a breakout from there or not. Until that time, we're going to keep a watch on it. I think it is heading towards 6767, and after that you can expect some all-time highs as well. Let's look at the metal mining. Again, metal mining has showing up some strength. It's just coming back. So I think that's good. We got a good strong candle. I think there's some really positive sign here on metal mining. So we need to look at that sector. And why do we do this analysis? Because it's important to tell us where exactly the strength of the market is vis-a-vis market. So we need to understand that. And XJR, I think if we put it through, just a minute. So let's put a relative strength here, and relative strength like against, we'll put it against the XJO, our main index, so that we know which sector is doing very well. And I'll put 50, I'll put 55 just to give the perspective. Yeah. So this is zero line. Anything above zero line means if you're seeing this blue line above zero line, which is this one, I think if I can make this one more solid and make it more, let's do, so yeah. So anything above this red line means there's a strength, and as you can see for last 55 days, XJR has been showing sign of strength vis-a-vis the broader market. And same way, you look at it here, it is coming down, it shows some nice strength and coming back. So that's fine. Even same that goes for industrials as well. Metal mining just coming up, so keep a watch. I think we should flag it to keep a track on it. And same comes with materials as well, so that's also showing good sign. XJR, which is resources, I think all of these are because of the prices, so it's there. XEC, emerging companies have corrected a bit, as you can see right from the top, it has come down. And there is where you can see here, there was a bit of slack here, and you have double top pattern formed, or triple top almost pattern formed here. So this is not trending at all, so we'll ignore that. This is also not going to trend. XTL index, we're not going to look at it. Yeah. FL, I think if I look at it, it's 50 stocks, top 50 stocks. Yeah. So NX80, which is Australian index. So XEG Energy, which is showing good sign, please keep it. I want to look at that. Ever since it broke the zero line, you are getting it has just been going non-stop. So that's where the strength was, and it also gave a nice breakout. So you can see here. So this is definitely very strong. It tried to break it, and after that it is just giving it. So this was something to look at it. This is now getting weak. This is also getting weak. Healthcare is also weak. And so this is and then ASX 300, so that's fine. And Infotech, let's look at the Infotech, it's also weak. So this is the complete view of all the indexes and all the strong stocks which are there. So by looking at it, you get a complete view where the strengths of the market are, as you can see. And that's one relative line. You can put it where you want it, whether it could be 65 days, 55 days, depending on your analysis. But it gives you the perspective of what has happened from the last 55 days. Yeah. And when I look at it from perspective of, let's look at it, some of the stocks here, some of the stocks which are trending nicely. Let's look at that as well for this week. So I made a list of it. They're all coming up, same stocks. Like AGL is coming up. Let's look at it. AGL is now touching XJO, which is good one, and ALD has, ever since is gone above the relative line, you can see what a strong move has come in. S32 is also, ever since it's gone above zero, it is just from $2, it's almost doubled, right? So one simple tool gives you the complete analysis, and this one again in my radar is showing some strength vis-a-vis market. Again, there's no surety here. One has to sorry, I was not sharing my screen. Let me go back again. So this is the analysis of the stock. So sorry, apologies for that. I was not sharing the screen, but I'll quickly go that again with you. So these are, I'm looking at a weekly basis, as you can see here. Let's go back again. AGL. Now AGL, this is a zero line for relative 55 days, which I've taken. So it's almost touching, and you can see a big volume. So it looks like this on, obviously in AGL we got a corporate action or the news, so it's maybe news based. ALD, Ample, ever since it's broken down this zero line, you can see there's a big rally came in from $28 to 35.9. Then comes in S32. Look at that. Ever since from Feb 21, now it's sitting at $5, which is Feb 21 when it broke. It was $2.60, so doubled. In this one, this stock is just nice base and coming out, and it's showing a good strength as well, which is fantastic. STO and STO is also showing good strength, and also the long-term trend has been also broken out, so it's a good stock to watch for. Again, I'm sharing the facts. There's no probability that what will happen. Please don't take any buy sell decision. I'm just sharing for education purposes only, and I have given you a complete disclaimer at the beginning, so please follow that. I'm just sharing what I am doing as an analysis, and you can see here there was a complete rejection in APA, and it's coming down. Though there's a strength, but there's been rejection here. We have to see. So it's a 1, 2, 3, and this is the third time it's given a rejection. We'll wait and see, and I think this should be in the watch list. And WHC Whitehaven, ever since I've taken this big candle, no looking back, and now it's gone above this. So I think that's doing very well. So these are some of the top stocks to watch out for this week. I will not go to the whole list, but idea was to cover this list with you to get you a complete perspective. So what we have learned today is to look at yourself, the analysis, which sectors are doing very well vis-a-vis the market, broader market, right? So you exactly can figure that out by yourself, because if a particular sector is able to beat the headline or benchmark or XJO, then definitely there's some pocket of strength there. But you have to go down deep and look at each stocks by stock. What is the reason behind why they are showing the sign of strength? It's just like relative strength is like you have two cars, which car is going faster than other. That's all it means. It has no fundamental part to it. It's just you have to do your analysis. Okay, so, and I'll just share this to you guys as a part of my weekly analysis, which I'm doing, and very openly. So if you're liking our content, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell, share your love, and share with everybody, so everybody get benefited out of that. Till the next video, I want to say you goodbye and have a great profitable week and happy investing. Thank you. Bye bye.